Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these Marc Angelo bacon wrapped beef medallions. They were on sale. Here's the nutrient panel because I want to read it, pause the video, and the ingredients are right there. Okay, I'm going to cook it up in the air fryer and I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is, all done. I'm going to take a quick bite. Okay, so I cut a piece off, as you can see. Now we'll do the quick taste test. It's good, it's nice and tender. It's already pre-seasoned, so it has that salty flavor to it. So it's actually pretty good. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video.